In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to upload pre-recorded audio on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, at the bottom, you're gonna find a different icon. Click on this plus option given at the bottom middle. With that, your gallery will open up. Now select any of the video. Now click on this music icon. Now here you're gonna find the option of import. Click on that. Now go ahead and select the pre-recorded audio that you want to add in this video. Make sure your audio is stored inside a video file because Instagram extracts the audio from the video automatically. After importing, you'll see your sound labeled as imported audio. You can then select specific part of the audio you want to use in your reel. When you are done, tap down in the top right corner to confirm. You can now start recording your reel using the imported audio or add video clips from your gallery that sync with the sound. And that's it. You have successfully uploaded and used a pre-recorded audio on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.